How to convert image to PDF on an Android phone. So if you need to quickly convert your image from any other file format to PDF, then I'm going to show you right now how you can do this. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead and open Play Store and search for the Microsoft. In my case, this app was installed by default. In your case, you can just tap download and install the app. Now let's open it. And what I'm going to do next here is I'm going to tap on the document option on the top and choose PDF from the list. Now you can see several other options. Just select importing a photo. Click on that. And with this way, you will access your gallery. Let's say I want to convert to PDF this cute photo, and then click the arrow on the bottom to proceed. If needed, crop the document, rotate, just adjust as you wish. And then, if you need to add one more, you can tap on the square next to the photo with the camera icon and add one more. But I'm gonna just use this one, so let's just tap on it again. Great. And now what we are gonna do is we are gonna click review and edit. If you want, you can add some filters, maybe text or draw on this photo. Or if everything is fine, click blue button finish. We can rename it, for example, PDF file. Let's just name it like that. Now you can also set size, original, medium, small, and choose where you want to save it. I'm gonna save to phone. And now I can tap view and immediately view my saved document. Also, I can just go in the My Files app on the phone. Here we can tap internal storage, then documents. And this is my PDF document. I can immediately tap it. And as you can see, it is saved as PDF because after the dot, we can see the label PDF. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.